the back also. Yeah, my name is Sanjay Devgan. I belong to Himachal, and it's been 2008 I started my journey with ITFT College, and before that I was basically doing my bachelor's in arts, which I didn't find really interesting, and started deciding to move to Chandigarh, and started in aviation tourism and hospitality management course as you guys are doing, and it was a very wonderful experience. At the beginning only I had a few doubts, as you must be also having to how to start with it, or the job situation and everything. Those sort of doubts were there in my mind. As soon as I started to personality development classes, it all just faded away from my mind, and it was a very brilliant experience. And after completing the graduation, I got a placement to ITFT only in an hotel called Eden Smart Transit Hotel. I hope you guys are aware what East Transit Hotel actually is. So I moved to the hotel in Indira Gandhi International Airport, Terminal 3, New Delhi. Started working there for a few days. I worked there for at least a month or so, because I was never into the hotel industry. I always believed that I am more of a airline material. So side by side I was searching for the jobs, and luckily I got an opportunity with SpiceJet. So started working for SpiceJet as a customer service executive. Worked in Delhi for almost 2 years or so. Then I moved to Chandigarh, since it's like a second home to me. So I came back to Chandigarh and started working here with SpiceJet only. It was an internal transfer, so it's been very good so far, and I thank ITFT for giving me an opportunity and stabilizing my career throughout from 2008 till whatever I have reached due to the hard work and the skills development which has faculty has boosted in us. It's been brilliant, and
Sanjay, if you can share some light moments of the college life you had here in ITFT College.
yeah, sure.
Why not in English? Why not in your friend's language?
Day one जब हम लोग ITFT में आए, so there was like टिक्का ceremony, everything was there. So yeah, you were तो वो हार डाल रहे थे ना आपको, तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम लोग कुछ राजा लोग आ गए हैं. It was a very nice feeling, और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था स्टार्टिंग में, एंड ढोल बज रहे थे, सब कुछ टीके लग रहे थे, एंड देन वी मूव टू द क्लासेस. वहाँ पे हमारे सेक्शंस अलॉट हो रहे थे. सो उससे पहले हम 2 महीने पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट कोर्स करके आए थे. सो वी वांटेड कि जिसके साथ हमारा पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस हुआ था, तो वी शुड बी अलॉटेड विद दैट स्टूडेंट ओनली. तो इट वाज लाइक कि हम सब अलग अलग हो गए. तो फिर सीनियर्स आ गए इंटरेक्शन के लिए, तो काफ़ी क्वेश्चन थे उन्होंने रेज किए, काफ़ी आंसर हमने दिए. तो अच्छा माहौल था कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि जैसे बाकी कॉलेजेस में होता है कि थोड़ा एप्रीहेंशन होता है हर स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में कि मुझे कुछ रैंक ना करे कोई, मुझे कोई उल्टा सवाल ना पूछे कोई. सो ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस वर आल्सो देयर इन माय माइंड, बट ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी प्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस टू द बिगिनिंग ओनली.
Thank you.
Any more questions that you guys have?
Please do ask.
Let's make it an interactive session.
Yeah.
I have a question, sir. So what are the problem faced by the students after graduation in this service industry?
एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन तो प्रॉब्लम होती है, लेकिन हमको ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. हमारा माइंड सेटअप ये होता है कि यार जॉब लगेगी नहीं लगेगी, क्या होगा, कंपनीज कॉलेज में आएंगी नहीं आएंगी. बट दीज आर द थिंग्स विच इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. These are the things which are not in our hands. We can develop our skills, we can work upon our skills, but these are the things that college provides us. I believe since the beginning of ITFT only, there has been never problem of companies coming to the college. There has been companies like Oberoi, Leaders, Jet Airways, SpiceJet, Indigo, numerous companies coming to college, and during the recession period also, I've seen company coming and taking placements. So there are not much challenges. Challenge lies within you. You need to grow up your skills. You need to build up yourself. regarding the whatever the desire of the requirement companies have.
Anything else?
Excuse me, I have one question. Can you tell me what is the functioning of the ground staff in SpiceJet, like hierarchy and how they all work?
Leave it, there's बहुत काम करना है. Actually, to the beginning only, as आपको करवाया जाता है courses में curriculum, ticketing है, there is you need to assist passengers throughout the ground process, which is like at the arrival halls. You need to assist passengers. You need to assist passengers at the boarding gates. You need to assist. Mainly, you need to assist passengers throughout his journey from point A till his destination. You need to assist passengers. That is what customer service is. There are numerous challenges which comes in between. You will face the passenger shouting over you, yelling over you, for different various reasons, which you are not at all fault. But still, बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, बट आपको करना पड़ता है. टिकटिंग है हमारा मेन कोर. उसके बाद you move to checking counters, you move to boarding gates. There are different allocations that one person has to do at the airport.
कोई difficult time जो तुमने देखा वहाँ कोई handle किया?
Actually मैं तो beginning में ही था. हमको आदत थी कॉलेज की एसी में आराम से बैठने की. तो when we moved to Delhi, तो वहाँ पे था कि there's a aviation term called RAM, which is the region of aircraft movement and parking, where actually aircraft comes in and goes out for departure. तो वहाँ पे there's no AC. वहाँ पे there's a sizzling hot मई जून का टेम्परेचर चल रहा है और 40 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है और when aircraft comes in it increases to 43. अब बंदा क्या करे जो उल्लू मनाली का है तो वही वहाँ पे क्या करेगा जाके. So it was quite a difficult time. At the same time, if you go through this period, you realize that yes, you have done it, and there can't be more difficult time than this. तो काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है आपको, स्पेशली जो रैम्प एरिया होता है जहाँ बहुत से सेफ्टी पॉइंट्स भी जुड़े होते हैं साथ में, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन यू. I think you can invite us one day to the airport. Definitely, sir, but they definitely will not get the access.
Security reasons. Thank you, wonderful, very well answered.
As you have already told us that you are first based in an hotel and then you were prepared for your industry. Can I ask that how you were influenced and how you were prepared for the industry? And IDFT has helped you, but how?
Alright, it's a good question actually. Initially, I told you earlier that I was not ever interested in going for the hotels, since I need the platform to go out and find a job for myself. IDFT given me the opportunity to move to Delhi with a job. Actually, if you go to Delhi and find out hunt for a job, it's very difficult to find a job there. Especially going for the walk-in interviews and all. It's very difficult. There's a hell lot of competition around. There's not many colleges around the Indian region only coming for the interviews. So it's a difficult है. So IDFT gave me the opportunity. I was being placed to IDFT only. Side by side, I started searching for the job. So aviation, like coming back to your question, my main criteria was there only that I wanted to go for the aviation industry only. And I walked in for the interview in a college, I don't remember the name actually. Walked in for the interview there and first round got selected and second round was at the airport. And since then started working in the aviation.
Your training at IGFT helped you or not? That's what is the question. I mean, because ultimately you wanted to go to airlines. So whatever you prepared, you were prepared, right? Okay, first job was not airlines, but when he got on there, was it smooth for your second interview?
It was actually very smooth because since we were already being groomed, we used to have their preliminary interviews that our teachers used to take. They used to ask different sort of questions what actually the company asks when you go for the interview. We were being polished very well. Our communication level was increased, confidence was being increased. We used to have example classes here. We used to to have personality development classes. There was a very interactive session. Every student was supposed to participate. Every student was supposed to keep his view. Let's say if I ask any one of you to introduce yourself, you might not be able to do it in front of many people. However, you might be able to do it alone in front of mirror. So that was the main hidden talent that ITFT faculty, really helped us in hosting up and go out and speak in front of everyone. And that only 10 minutes of interview which decides your future. So it was very good because we were being earlier polished through faculty, and it really helped me in finding a job.
Okay, Sanjay, I want to ask something. As we say to students, academics is one part and skills development is the another part. So kindly tell them कि आगे जाकर कितना आपकी थ्योरेटिकल स्टडीज कितना एकेडमिक हेल्प करती है और कितना जो इस तरह के आप जो बात कर रहे हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट और ऑल दैट जो शायद ये बच्चे उतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते अभी वो कितनी हेल्प करते हैं।
मैम पहले तो आपसे क्वेश्चन फिर से आ गया, आपसे स्टार्टिंग से क्वेश्चन ही लेके एक्चुअली मैंने जॉइंड ITFT मेरा दिमाग में ये था कि आई विल बी वेरी पंक्चुअल, आई विल बी कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन माय स्टडीज ओनली। मैं आऊँगा कॉलेज जाऊँगा एग्जाम दूंगा अच्छे मार्क्स में क्लियर करूँगा, दैट्स इट। बट जब मैं पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट क्लासेस में देयर वर क्लासेस ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट फॉर जूनियर्स, मैंने अटेंडेड दो क्लासेस, तो उसमें आपको यही बताया गया कि मेरी टेक्स्ट बुक्स आर डिफरेंट। सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में क्या है, people will not see how many marks you have obtained. Let's say you have obtained 80% marks, 90% marks. How well you can express those knowledge that you have. This is what they look for. I was also a very studious student, but I would really be very honest on this part that I was not much into the studies. I used to, learn through my classes only, through interactive sessions only. I believe Chitra ma'am could agree on this. I used to learn through the classes only. I was never like going back to the home and studying there and clearing exams. We used to study like every one of you 2 days prior to the exam. This is what is required right now in the service industry. I believe you need to have that personality which is being groomed, which is already being groomed. They don't see how many marks you have obtained in your exam. I was being recruited with a company when I was still going through the final year of my career with ITFT. So they don't really look into that. They look how groomed you are, how well you can express yourself, how well you can express the knowledge you have got through your textual books. This is what actually they demand for. टिप्स पहले तो नर्वसनेस नहीं होनी चाहिए। You should not be nervous at all. Tips, I would say you need to work upon your skills. You need to firstly you need to be very much groomed in how you introduce yourself. First question would be from the interview. Introduce me. Give me your introduction. The first question which cracks his mind and you have to answer it. So if you prepare yourself for the answers that he is going to ask you, then you might fall in the wrong routes. I believe being confident is pretty much important when you appear for the interview. Body language also has to be very, very right, and obviously communication, which is highly required in service industry today.
How group discussion helps them to
Group discussion is very important. Since I told you earlier that you might be very good in talking with your friends, with the people you feel comfortable with, but the interviewer with whom you'll be going to give your interview, he doesn't know you. He's going to judge you in that very 5 minutes only. So if you form a group, like we used to have group discussion classes here in the IT. Teachers used to ask us the question, they used to give us the subject to talk about it, to keep your viewpoints on this. So if you express your viewpoint, even though you're not, I was very introvert. In the beginning I was very introvert. I never used to interact with people much. But in the starting only, if you interact, if you give your viewpoint, if you present yourself, your ideas, it really boosts your confidence up. There is someone who is going to appreciate it. There is someone. And if no one, your teacher will definitely going to appreciate you, whether your viewpoint was right or wrong.
So, what made you think that hotel industry wasn't really your life and the aviation was?
I believe it's always a personal choice that everyone has the personal interest. When I joined ITFP, I did not know what was the travel industry or the aviation or hotel industry looked like. But in the beginning, throughout the overview, what I got from the ITFP faculty about the different job allocations that we are going to have, like hospitality industry or aviation industry or travel industry, my main interest which developed throughout from the beginning only was in aviation. I would not discourage you for not going to the hotel. It's a very good industry if you want to have your overall growth career-wise. So it's a very good industry, same as goes for travel industry. It's just a personal interest that I had for aviation that I chose this one.
Okay, one thing I have to say is the reluctance of students for going into a particular industry because they want to go to some other industry, as the case was you. आप एविएशन में जाना चाहते थे लेकिन आपको हॉस्पिटैलिटी में जाना पड़ा, लेकिन वो जितना टेन्योर आपने हॉस्पिटैलिटी में काम किया, क्या वो आपके स्पाइस जेट के इंटरव्यू में काम आया?
Definitely, ma'am. It always helps. It is in aviation, or you go for hotels, or you go for travel industry. If you're working in any of these things, the experience definitely helps in going for the particular thing you look for. I started working for Eden Smart Hotel, and it was actually a pre-opening of the hotel. And there were not many things that we could learn because it was not a live hotel or anything like there. I learned many things from there. Thereafter, the opportunities were growing and I got an opportunity to go to SpiceJet. So it really helps, and you should grab the opportunity. Don't look that aviation has not come at the campus, so I'll not be appearing for the interview. We as students only. We used to go for the call center interviews only. We used to go for the call center interview just to rate yourself, where you stand actually, where you actually belong. You can rate yourself, you can ask your friends, you can take the feedbacks from them. It really helps.
Any other?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन to you is कि अगर हमें एप्टीट्यूड के लिए जाना है तो उसके लिए क्या क्या criteria है? How we can prepare ourselves?
Ma'am, there are some physical criteria which airlines also has for, especially for the cabin crew. Like I will give you an example of Jet Airways. Firstly, they have their first round of interviews is for your grooming round, where they observe your height and weight, which is obviously you have to maintain, and your skin. Then they look for preliminary round, how well you are, how good you are communicator. Then there is a logical round, then there is reasoning. There's a lot of when you go to Jet Airways, they judge you from head to toe.
So, being the customer executive, what are the different pressure points you get during your work?
There are various pressure points. Every person is not like the same person. You get a person who is very polite with you as a passenger. I will share an experience. There is a passenger, a foreigner passenger. He talks to you very politely. He understands the business very well. He knows the various pressure you must be going through. He is very polite. At the other hand side, the passenger comes in yelling at you regarding something which is not in your hands. Regarding something that company has asked you to do it. You also have some foundations to do. So there are different sort of passengers, angry passengers, different people, different culture people will meet you. They will have different expectations. But at the same point of time, given the foundation and guidelines from your respective companies, you need to satisfy your customer within those limited foundations only.
So Sanjay, what are your future plans and how they should plan? Suppose they enter first time, and after that, how should they plan their future and promotion level?
So future plans, still I'm right now working with SpiceJet, and right now I'll share with you the child airport, which is called as Chandigarh International Airport, which is going to start within a few months or so now. near Mohali. It's coming up, and there will be various job opportunities available. And you should, keep yourself updated with this. Keep yourself updated with the. If you look for the airline job, keep yourself updated with their websites. And recently, Neha, who came to pick me up, I told her that there were interviews conducted by Jet Airways here in Zirakpur only, walk-in interviews. And I believe that all of you can go for the interviews. You need to update yourself. ITFT will definitely provide you the platform once you clear your application. There will be companies coming up. But on your behalf only, you have to start up. You have to take the initiative for the interviews. Actually, I'm pursuing my master's also. It is very difficult, especially when I was in Delhi. There was a 12-hour shift. We used to report at 3:30 midnight for the shift without any conveyance. 3:30, and we used to work till afternoon 3 o'clock. It was a very hectic time. At the beginning level, it was not something that I expected. Although you guys must have expected to work at the laptop, sitting in the AC, and it was not like that. It's a very hectic job, and at the same point, managing your studies throughout, it is also very difficult, challenging. It is entirely up to you how you pursue it and how you want to do it.
I think you just want to say that what are the skills which you must have to be employed in a particular sector which you want to work in. I think it's already covered, but you can just quickly,
I can't see you Firstly, you need not to be nervous at all. We are all here as ITFTians only. I was also amongst you, and since I'm standing here, I'm feeling really honored to be here. And you need to be very much thankful for whatever you have. Don't be nervous at all. Be fluent enough in whatever language you speak. They see the confidence level. They see how you represent yourself. The skills which is required for the company to company, they groom you there. They send you to the trainings. They mold you according to their taste. You need not worry about that. Just the basics that you need to work upon: your communication skills, your personality, your grooming. That teachers pressurize you day by day, and you don't listen to it. You need to work. I would not have मेरे पास enough words में describe करने के लिए. It was so wonderful experience. The teachers बहुत अच्छे teachers मिले थे हमको, आपको भी मिले हैं. तो बहुत brilliant experience था. हमारे college tours, college classes. अब college classes ज़्यादा attend करना पसंद करते थे because हमको उसमें ही काफ़ी enjoyment होता था. There was learning as well as enjoyment. So college experience throughout बहुत अच्छा था. Faculty was really awesome. हर चीज़ में there was quite helpful to us, and किसी को मोल्ड करने के लिए टीचर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत होती है. If the student is performing well or performing excellent, the teacher has a very large role in playing in it. So teachers were really brilliant in grooming the students throughout the career. So ITFT experience, I would not have words to describe how better it was.
Thank you.
As per you, what will be the industries of the Kings in the next 203 years?
It's a very good question actually. I believe the competition is increasing day by day. There was a time when hearing, I will give you the example of airline only. There was a time when hearing Chandigarh only Jet Airways or Air India used to come. There were no other airline who used to, and there were very few passengers. Only elite class people used to fly through here. Now, if you see, Indigo has around 5-6 departures from Chandigarh. Air India has around 2 departures. Jet Airways has 7 departures. Spice has 4 departures. There are a number of opportunities which is increasing. Now you have the new terminal which is coming up. So competition has increased, so has the opportunities. You need not to get disheartened by this that you might not get a job. You need to be capable enough to fetch the job for you. बहुत सी opportunities आएंगी, बहुत सी companies आएंगी, तो आपको capable होना है उस चीज़ को पाने के लिए. So I would thank each and every one of you especially ITFT, to start this alumni program, and it's been an honor to come here and share my experience with you guys. And I really thank and I wish each and every one of you a better health, a better future ahead, and ITFT to organize these seminars like same again, and our old folks should be united again. Thank you so much.